Decimals. The completed banknote sheets now enter the precision cutting stage. Computer-controlled cutting systems separate each note with stations. The counted banknotes are carefully aligned into uniform bundles. Proper alignment protects the currency during storage and prepayments. Automated counting systems verify the exact number of banknotes in every stack. Optical sensors ensure complete accuracy before shipments. Each bundle is secured with an identification band before entering protective packaging. This final preparation helps
response. Each individual banknote is separated and aligned with extraordinary precision. Even after cutting, every note continues through additional
Every Canadian polymer banknote begins its journey long before any ink is applied. Of loosenants. Before the polymer can become banknote film, carefully measured performance additives are blended into the resin. Sections. The blended resin is carefully melted and extruded into an ultra-thin continuous film. Precision control at this. The film is stretched in two directions using a process known as biaxial orientation. This transforms ordinary polypropylene into BOPP. Although the polymer film appears perfectly smooth, its surface must be specially treated before printing. Immediately after stretching, the polymer film enters a carefully controlled cooling stage. Precise temperature regulation. Before the material is approved for banknote production, every centimeter is examined using automated optical inspection. After passing every inspection, the finished polymer film is wound into master rolls. Each roll contains thousands of meters of high-filled Ds. The finished polymer rolls are carefully packaged, tracked, and protected before leaving the production plant. From here, every shipment arrives under carefully controlled security procedures. Before production can begin, each master roll. Once verified, the protective packaging is carefully removed. From this point forward, the polymer substrate is handled under shipment. Each shipment is authenticated before entering production. Digital tracking records every movement, ensuring complete trace. Before entering the printing line, the polymer is stabilized inside a carefully controlled environment. Even slight variations in temperature.
With every inspection complete, the first polymer roll is carefully installed onto the production line.
The transparent polymer is now introduced into the first printing press. Every movement is precisely synchronized to maintenance. Before additional security features can be added, the printed layers must stabilize under carefully controlled conditions. Every printed color must align within microscopic tolerances. Even the smallest variation would be immediately detected, ensuring For the first time, color begins to transform the transparent polymer. Multiple layers of precisely controlled
Each printed sheet is carefully inspected before production continues. This early verification confirms that every color.
Unlike ordinary printing, Intaglio begins with a precisely engraved steel plate. Every microscopic groove. Specialized high-viscosity security ink is carefully worked into every engraved groove. Excess ink is removed from the surface. Powerful hydraulic pressure transfers the engraved design onto the polymer substrate. This process creates the raised tactile tinctures. Every engraved detail is carefully examined under controlled lighting. The raised portrait is more than a design element. With the engraved portrait complete, the banknote begins to display the unmistakable appearance of Canada's modern currency. Specialized reflective security elements are integrated with exceptional precision. Their exact alignment is critical, creating optical effects.
Many of the banknote's most advanced security features are almost invisible without magnification. Microscopic inspection confirms.
The transparent window is one of Canada's most recognizable security features. Every window is individually inspected to nations. The counted banknotes are carefully aligned into uniform bundles. Proper alignment protects the currency during storage and prepayments. Automated counting systems verify the exact number of banknotes in every stack. Optical sensors ensure complete accuracy before. Each bundle is secured with an identification band before entering protective packaging. This final preparation helps decimals. The completed banknote sheets now enter the precision cutting stage. Computer-controlled cutting systems separate each note with. Additional security features remain hidden under normal lighting. Ultraviolet inspection verifies these invisible protective elements. Every Canadian banknote receives its own unique identity. Precision numbering systems apply serial numbers that allow standards. Before approval, every completed sheet undergoes a fully automated inspection. Advanced vision systems verify toilets. The completed sheets are now separated into individual banknotes. Every cut must be perfectly aligned to preserve both the digits. After cutting, the banknotes are counted and organized into carefully aligned bundles. Automated verification ensures every package fits. With every inspection complete, the finished banknotes are securely packaged and sealed for delivery. From this point forward, after arriving at the Bank of Canada, every shipment is authenticated once again. Multiple verification procedures. From the central distribution network, Canada's new banknotes are delivered to financial institutions across the country. Once sealed, the banknotes leave the production facility under carefully controlled security procedures. Every shipment majors. Before Intaglio printing begins, a specially formulated high-security ink is prepared under tightly controlled laboratory conditions. Soft precision rollers work the security ink deep into every microscopic engraved groove. This critical stage ensures that only the engraved portions of the print